Hello YouTube. Found this on the porch. Time to open it up and see what it is. Okay, it's the audio unit that I was looking for. And the installation wiring harness. Okay. Let's see what this is. Okay, I just needed something with Bluetooth compatibility, and it plays CDs. And it has all the good old stuff. Has a wireless remote, detachable face, with that 320 watts to power the speakers, extra jacks for amps and stuff. Let's see what's on the other side. Yeah, remotes, everything. Time to open this up. Okay, not bad. It's the remote, the bezel, the wiring, all the little good stuff, the instructions. Should be working pretty good. Bluetooth. That's USB jacks, everything else. On the back, extra jacks for at least 3 sets of amps. Easy plug-in. Not sure if I'm going to put it on today. I mean later this afternoon. Definitely putting it on. May not do it today, but we'll see. Till next video, I'll see you.